Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are learning Surah Maida, ayah number 20 and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. وإذ قال وإذ قال موسى لقومه يا قوم اذكروا نعمة الله عليكم. For wow, circle your lips. The makhraj of wow is circling your lips. For fatha, open jaws. Id, hamza is very sharp. For kasra, give e sound. Attach it dal. Dal will get sifa of rukhawa. And rukhawa is flow of sound. Id. So the sound of dal should flow nicely. Qaf is heavy. For fatha, open jaws. Because of qaf, this alif is heavy too. Because heavy letter makes alif heavy beside it. Qa, make it 2 counts long. La, for fatha open your jaws, the sound is short. Mu, for the circle lips, make it 2 counts long. Sa, 2 counts long. Li, for kasra, give e sound. Qaw, qaf is heavy for fatha open jaws. Attach it wow. This is wow lean, so make it long and make it 2 counts. Make it soft and make it 2 counts long. Me, for kasra, give e sound. He, 2 counts long. Ya, keep ya soft. For fatha, open your jaws and make it 2 counts long. Ya, qaw, harf lean, so make it 2 counts long and make it soft. Nid, for kasra, give e sound, attach with dal. Dal will get sifa of rukhawa, and rukhawa is flow of sound. Id, ku, sorry, mid, ku, qaf it light for the circle lips and make it short. Ru, ru, for dhamma, circle your limbs and make it 2 counts long. Ra will be heavy whenever ra is with dhamma or fatha, it is always heavy. So heavy, for heavy ra, you have to lift your tongue up and you're not circling your lips at all. Nia, for kasra, give e sound, attach with ain. Ain will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound, and ain should be from your throat. Nia, ma, for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Tal, keep ta light, but lafz jalala heavy because there is fatha before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name. Tal, tal, and give tawassut on lam, law, and make it 2 counts long. He, for kasra, give e sound. Ain from your throat, for fatha open jaws. Lay, have lean, so make it soft and make it 2 counts long. Lay, kum, for the circle lips attach it. Meme, you will get sipa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound. As you will hit meme, your lips should be in a straight position. Id, for kasra, give e sound. Keep the sharpness of hamza on its place. In, and give rakhawa on dal, and rakhawa is flow of sound. Ja, for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Ain from your throat, for fatha open jaws. La, for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Fi, 2 counts long. Kum, for the circular lips. As you will touch meme, your lips should be in a straight position because this had sukoon. And meme will get sifa of the wasut. Hamza is very sharp for fatha open jaws, attach it. Meme, because this is iqlab. So when you're doing iqlab, you're changing the sound of noon into meme. So you are attaching hamza with meme now. B, for kasra, give e sound. Yeah, 4 counts long. Mad muttasil wajib. A, for fatha open jaws. Wa, makhraj of wow, circling your lips, for fatha open jaws. Ja, for fatha open jaws. Ain from your throat, for fatha open jaws. La, for fatha open your jaws, the sound is short. Kum, for the circular lips. And as you will touch meme, your lips should be in a straight position first, because you are giving gunna here. The gunna over here is longest. This is akmal gunna because this is idgham shafawi. Give gunna first, kum, and your lips are straight. As you will give dhamma, yes, of course, you are circling your lips here for dhamma on meme. Mu for and the sound is short. Lu for the circular ellipse, make it 2 counts long. Kaum idgham with gunna, so keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time. Kaum wa for makhraj of wow is circling your lips, so fatha open jaws. Hamza is very sharp and make it 2 counts long. Ta ta is very sharp, make it 2 counts long. For the circular lips, that it means this is idgham shafawi again. So as you will leave kaf, your and you are touching meme, your lips should be in a straight position. Or and giving akmal gunna because this is akmal gunna. Ma 2 counts long. Lam for fatha and jaws attached with meme, we will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium plop sound. You for the circle ellipse attached with hamza. Hamza will get a very sharp stop because this is shadid letter. You T for kasra, give E sound, give a very sharp sound, no flow of breath or sound here. T, A. Hamza is very sharp for fatha open jaws. Ha for fatha open jaws, give hams in fa, ha, ha. Dam for fatha open jaws, then attach with meme, you will get sifa of gunna. This because this is idgham, and this idgham has akmal gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Dammi for kasra, give E sound. Nal for fatha open jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. 2 counts long, ain from your throat. La for fatha open jaws. Meen. This temperate sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4 counts, and this is what Ahmed Arid Lissakoon is. Yeah, keep yeah soft. When you're saying yeah, your tongue is lifting up towards your palate, but it's not touching, and the muscles of your tongue are very soft. That is making yeah very soft letter. Yeah, 2 counts long. Qaw, qaf is heavy for fatha open jaws attached with wow. This is wow lean, so keep it 2 counts long and make it soft. Qaw, need. For kasra, give E sound attached. Dal, dal will get sipa of qalqala, and qalqala is taba'ud. When you are aparting the makhraj, that makes qalqala. Need, kha is heavy for dhamma circle ellipse, the sound is short. Lul for dhamma circle ellipse attached with lam, lam will get sipa of tawassut. Lul, aw, hamza is very sharp for fatha open jaws attached with ra, ra will get sipa of tawassut. And ra will be heavy because you can find fatha before ra sakina. Oh, well, for fatha upon jaws attached with lam, lam will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium plop sound. Nu for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Qad, qaf is heavy for fatha upon jaws attached with dal. There is no qalqala because this dal is with tashdid. So qad for fatha upon jaws, qaf. Keep qaf heavy but not dal. Dal is light. Qad, sa for fatha open jaws. The sound is short. Tel, ta is very sharp for fatha open jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Tel, la for fatha open jaws. The sound is short. T, 2 counts long. Ka for fatha open jaws. Ta for fatha open jaws. The sound is short. Bow for keep ba light, but lafz jalala will be heavy here because there is fatha before it. Bel and lafz jalala will be heavy. Bel law, make it 2 counts long. Hu for the circle ellipse. La for fatha open jaws. Kum for the circle ellipse attached with meme. You will get sipa of the wasut. And as you will touch meme, your lips should be in a straight position. Wa for wow circle ellipse. Fatha open jaws. La 2 counts long. Ta is very sharp for fatha open jaws attached with the raw. Raw will get sifa of the wasut, and raw will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Taw, tad, ta is very sharp for fatha open jaws attached with dal. Dal will be shadid too. No flow of sound. Tad, do. For dhamma circle ellipse, make it 2 counts long. Ain from your throat for fatha open jaws. La 4 counts long. Mad munfasil jaiz. Ad. Hamza is very sharp. For fatha open jaws attach with dal. Dal will get sifa of qalqala and keep dal light. Ad. Ba. Two counts long. Eri. Ra is light because wherever there is kasra on ra, it is light. Eri. For the circle lips attach with meme, you will get sifa of tawassut. And as you will touch meme, your lips should be in a straight position. F, give hums before this letter and fatha. As you will touch fatha, your letter will be very short. F, tang. Ta is very sharp, and this ikhfa is heavy. So lift your tongue up when you are creating this ikhfa. Tang. Qa is heavy for fatha open jaws. The sound is short. Li for kasra give e sound. Woo for dhamma circular lips make it 2 counts long. Kha is heavy, make it 2 counts long. Si for kasra give e sound. Reen. Because of this work, you are giving temporary sukoon on noon. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4 counts. And this is what mad arid للسكون is. وَإِذْ قَالَ مُوسَى لِقَوْمِهِ يَا قَوْمِ اذْكُرُوا نِعْمَةَ اللَّهِ عَلَيْكُمْ إِذْ جَعَلَ فِيكُمْ أَنْبِيَاءَ وَجَعَلَكُمْ مُلُوكًا وَآتَاكُمْ مَا لَمْ يُؤْتِ أَحَدًا مِنَ الْعَالَمِينَ يا قوم ادخلوا الأرض المقدسة التي كتب الله لكم ولا ترتدوا على أدباركم فتنقلبوا خاسرين. Qaf is heavy for fatha upon jaws. Because of this qaf, this alif is heavy too. Lu for dhamma circle lips and make it 2 counts long. Ya 2 counts long. Keep ya soft. Mu for dhamma circle lips, make it 2 counts long. Sa mad munfasil jaiz. In Hamza is very sharp for kasra give e sound, attach it noon. Noon will get sifa of gunna, and this gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na for fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short with fatha. Fi give hums before fa and make it 2 counts long. Ha 2 counts long. Qaw for fatha open jaws, make qaf heavy, and this is lean, so make it soft and make it 2 counts long. Man. This is ikhfa and this ikhfa is light. So keep your tongue straight. Jab for fatha open jaws attached with ba. Ba is very sharp letter, so give a sharpness here. Jab ba 2 counts long. Subhanallah, when we say Quran with its tajweed, we are subhanallah getting the vibes and idea what this word about Jabbarina, subhanallah. So when you are saying this, you are giving the feeling like how Jabbar those people were. Subhanallah. So they were afraid of those Jabbarina, subhanallah. So the people over there might be Jabbar, so they were very afraid. Jabbari. Keep a raw light, make it 2 counts long. Na for fatha open jaws. And the sound is short. Wa for wow, circle your lips. Fatha open your jaws. The sound is short. In Hamza is very sharp. For kasra give e sound, attach with noon. Noon will get sifa of gunna, and this gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Then it is 2 counts long. Na. لن إدغام with غنة. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. لن نادر for fatha upon jaws attached with dal. Dal will get sifa of qalqala, and qalqala is tabaud. When you are parting the makhraj, that makes qalqala. نادئ for the circle ellipse, and the kha is heavy. The sound is short. La for fatha upon jaws. Ha 2 counts long. Hat give hams in ha for fatha upon jaws. Ha should be from your throat. Attach with ta. Ta will get a nice sharpness. Hat, and then it will be 2 counts long. Ta. Yeah. Keep ya very soft for fatha upon jaws. Attach with kha. Kha will get sifa of rakhawa, and kha will be heavy. Yeah. Uru for the muscle lips, and keep raw heavy, because whenever raw has dhamma or fatha, it is heavy. So to make a raw heavy, you are lifting your tongue up and you're not circling your lips at all. Uru, but you are circling here lips because of dhamma. Yes. Uru, you for dhamma circle your lips and make it 2 counts long. Min for kasra, give e sound, attach it. Noon gets sifa of tawassut, and ruling is ithar. Min ha 2 counts long. Fa, give hams in fa. With fatha, the sound will be short. E, hamza is very sharp, so keep the sharpness on its place, and give make idgham with gunna, and this gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Yeah, is soft for fatha upon jaws. Attach with kha. Kha will be heavy, and it will get rakhawa. Uru, ra is heavy for the circle ellipse. The sound is short. Ju for the circle ellipse, make it 2 counts long. Min for kasra, give e sound, attach it. Noon will get sifa of tawassut, and ruling it is har. Min ha 2 counts long. F, give hams before fatha. With fatha, the sound will be short. In, hamza is very sharp. For kasra, give e sound, attach it. Noon will get sifa of kunna, and this kunna is akmal. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na, and then it is 2 counts long. Da, give very sharp sound of dal, no flow of breath or sound, and make it 2 counts long. Da, for kasra, give e sound. Lu, un. Because of this waqf, you are giving sukoon on noon, that create tawassut here too, on noon. Okay, this is one thing. The other thing, and other thing is that when there is temporary sukoon, this temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4 counts, and this is what madarat sukoon is. قالوا يا موسى إن فيها قوما جبارين وإنا لن ندخلها حتى يخرجوا منها فإن يخرجوا منها فإنا داخلون. Qaf is heavy for the circle. For fatha, open your jaws and make it 2 counts long. And because of this qaf, alif is heavy too. La for fatha, open jaws. Ra is heavy for fatha, open jaws. The sound is short. Ju for the circle lips. La 2 counts long. Ni for kasra, give e sound. Mi for kasra, give e sound. Nal for fatha, open jaws, attach with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. La for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. The 2 counts long. Na for fatha open jaws. Ya, very soft letter for fatha open jaws. Kha 2 counts long, and make kha heavy. Fu for the circle lips, make it 2 counts long. Na for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. An, hamza is very sharp for fatha open jaws. Attach it noon. Noon will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound. Ain from your throat for fatha open jaws. Mal, keep mim light, but lafz jalala will be heavy because there is fatha before it. La 2 counts long. Hu for the circle ellipse. Ain from your throat for fatha open jaws. Lay, make it soft and make it 2 counts long. He for kasra give e sound. Mad for fatha open jaws attach with dal. Dal will get sifa of qalqala and both letters are light. Mad. Who is heavy for dhamma circle ellipse make it short. Who Lu for dhamma circle ellipse make it 2 counts long. Ain from your throat for fatha open jaws. Lay is soft because this is harf lean and it is 2 counts long. Lay, he for kasra give e sound. Mul for dhamma circle ellipse attached with lam. Lam will get sip off the wasut. Ba 2 counts long, very sharp sound. Ba for fatha open your jaws, very sharp sound. Fa give hums. On fa before fatha, with fatha the sound will be very short. With fa, fa e hamza is very sharp. For kasra give e sound. The 2 counts long. The for fatha open jaws. Khal kha is heavy for fatha open jaws. Attach with lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasut. Two for dhamma circle ellipse. Mu for dhamma circle ellipse and make it 2 counts long. Hu for dhamma circle ellipse. The sound is short. Fa give hums before fatha. With the fatha, the sound of fa will be very short. Fa in hamza is very sharp. For kasra give e sound attached with noon. Noon will get sipa off. Gunna, this gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Kum for dhamma circle ellipse attached with mim, you will get sipa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound. Ghain is heavy and make it 2 counts long. Li for kasra give e sound. Woon. Because of this work, we are giving temporary sukoon on noon, and that brings tawassut on noon. And this temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4 counts, that is making it mad arid li sukoon. For wow, the makhraj of wow circling your lips for fatha open jaws. Ain from your throat for fatha open jaws. Law. Keep this lam light, but lafz jalala will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Law. Give the wasut first on lam, then make it long. La. Lo, that is heavy. Lo, he, for kasra give e sound. Fa, give hums on fa. For fatha, the sound is short. Ta, very sharp sound, no flow of sound or breath. Ta, wak, for wow circle ellipse. Fatha open jaws attach with kaf. And make kaf light. Wak, ka, for fatha open jaws. The sound is short. Lu, mad, munfasil jaiz. Make it 4 counts long. For dhamma circle ellipse. In hamza is very sharp. Ikhfa of with kaf is little different. Like it is more closer to idhar, but it is not idhar. When you are applying the mechanism is not like idhar. In for dhamma circle ellipse and give ikhfa. This ikhfa is light, so keep your tongue straight. Kuntum for dhamma circle ellipse attach with meme, and this is idgham shafawi, so give a longer gunna, akmal gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Tum for dhamma circle ellipse attached with hamza, and hamza will give a very sharp stop. Ni for kasra give e sound. Neen. We are giving temporary sukoon on noon. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4 counts. That is making it madarid lis sukoon. قال رجلان من الذين يخافون أنعم الله عليهم ادخلوا عليهم الباب فإذا دخلتموه فإنكم غالبون وعلى الله فتوكلوا إن كنتم مؤمنين. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.